In this video, I am going to show you how to enable crossplay so you can play Roller Champions with your friends on different platforms. Crossplay allows players on different systems to compete against each other in the same online match. This can be done through the game's menus, and it's a great way to get more out of the game and its community. To see how it's done, make sure to watch this video until the very end. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. So what you want to do first is launch the game on your PC, Xbox, PlayStation, or whatever, and then when you are logged into the game, you want to click on this banner with your name at the top right of the screen. And it will show you a bunch of options. From that list of options, click on Settings. And then when you are on the settings, click on Gameplay. And as you can see, there is the option to enable crossplay. So, if you have this turned off, simply click here to enable it. And now I can play Roller Champions with my friends that use Xbox, PlayStation, and other devices. So that's all for this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more easy to follow tutorials like this one. Thanks so much for watching and have a good day.